Family, what is popping, everybody? I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in to the video today, to the channel today. Excuse me, it's been a minute. Yeah, this is the first video of 2023 for me. Like I say, constant grind, we steady growing. But first of all, before we even get into the video, I don't even want to tell y'all, before I tell y'all to subscribe and to like this video, I just like to say thank y'all, man, for just coming to the channel, checking me out, just helping me grow, supporting me. Like, support is huge, and I promise y'all this year, it's one thing that I'm focused on this whole 2023 with this channel, and that will be consistency. We're gonna do big things on this channel this year. We definitely finna grow 10,000 subscribers. They on the way. I'm speaking it to existence. I'm manifesting it. But like I said, I just wanted to start this video out with that. Tell you guys thank you. You guys are truly a blessing, man. And I love each and every one of y'all for your support. Because you can be doing something else, but you rocking with me. So with that said, hey, if you haven't already, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to the channel, man. We're going up all 2023. Today, our first stop is gonna be Ralphlauren and Grapevine. Not Grapevine, I'm sorry, Grand Prairie. I don't know why I always get Grand Prairie and Grapevine mixed up. So we're gonna go there today, check out, see some of the things they got. I don't know if they're still doing the 40% off sale. They may be doing the 30, but we definitely finna go see and check them out. Guys, make sure you let me know down below what you guys think of it. So it's a few things I got on my mind that I want to cop. Hopefully it's still in store. One of them I ordered at the store and they took care of me. So come along with your boy, y'all. Let's get into this video. So you guys, as you can see, that was Grapevine. I don't know why I keep saying it Grapevine. That was the Grand Prairie outlets, the poloralphlauren at the Grand Prairie outlets. I think I get it construed saying Grapevine because that's my favorite outlet, Grapevine. But yeah, man, y'all can see they didn't really have much in the men's section today. So I just went ahead and recorded something for the women, for the ladies, you know. So I do have a lot of women subscribers as well. Shout out to you guys. But yeah, man, that store's kind of been lacking lately for the men's section. Like, I don't know what's going on. Maybe around that time of the year. I remember I first went there. Matter of fact, my very first Polo video I did in that store, and it was crazy. Like, they had so much stuff in there. But like I say, I know certain stores get certain things. That's why I bounce from outlet to outlet to see which outlet has what. Because believe it or not, one outlet may have something that another one doesn't. You know, that's why a lot of time I'm having them call, well, can I pay for it here? And I have them hold it and I go over there and pick it up. But yeah, for some reason, like my last few videos I went to this store, like the men's section just wasn't like up the par like that. Like I'm normally seeing it. But yes, guys, like I was saying, man, I appreciate y'all. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you once again for tuning in, checking your boy out. And if you like the video, make sure you comment down below. Along with comments, subscribe, get a boy a like. Going up all 2023, like I told you guys, consistency is what I'm preaching this year. Anything else? Happy New Year to you all, and like I say, thank you. You guys stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana Twister, baby girl, just wanna